Hello. Today I'll be making, actually I am in Italy at my parents' house and I'm making chicken in the oven. These are fresh chicken, young fresh chickens with potatoes. The onions, potatoes, the tomatoes, little peppers and garlic. And then I prepared this little spice and oil to marinate the chicken first. And this is going to be called chicken with potatoes in the oven, baked chicken with baked potatoes in the oven. And stay tuned. So the onions, the garlic, I'm just crushing them. So the garlic I just crushed and I'm just going to throw them around. They're just going to be baked together with all the veggies and the onions and tomatoes. Stay tuned. So I'm going to chop the onions finely. So I'm adding the onion and everything. Just gonna mix them together. I know it looks okay. So I'm squeezing a little bit the juice out of the tomatoes. So everything I'm using today is from my dad's garden and everything is organic. So now I'm adding the tomatoes. I'm just gonna blend everything together, like a marinade and everything together. Stay tuned. So I'm just gonna spread it the same everywhere. And I'm gonna add, the peppers. These are small peppers, so I don't like to cut them. They're just gonna be all around like this. This is very unusual as a pot, like baked chicken with potatoes in the oven. But this is what we always used to do. My grandmother used to cook in Albania. And now I'm just gonna add the potatoes on top. So this is gonna be like really delicious. We're 9 people in the house, so that's why I decided to make this, And I'm gonna cook it in the oven. I'm gonna bake it in the oven for an hour and a half at 200 degrees. Stay tuned. Now I'm just gonna marinate a little bit the potatoes, not much, A little bit of oregano. I should have done it in the pot, but I forgot about that, so I'm doing it now. And a little bit of oil on top because I didn't add anything. Olive oil. This is also organic, from the farms here. So now it's gonna go in the oven. Stay tuned. So the baked chicken with the potatoes is ready. Dinner to be served. It looks delicious, smells amazing. I hope you guys give this a try. Bon appetit.